Hey folks, I've got, this is Lou's shirt. I've got a challenge lock from Lockpickin' Hippie. Is number 3. I haven't opened it yet, other than to get it out of the bag. Looks like it's a quick set kick. Let me look at this real quick. Okay, it's a tracking log, a picking log, so I won't make him one because he's already got a good one. Quick set, Lockpickin' Hippie, very smooth. It's number 3. Okay, well, let's try it. This is going to be my 200th CL that I picked since, let's see, since I started keeping track. December 6th, 2023. So this will be number 200. Alright, 1 is loose, 2 got a click, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 got into a false set, back to 1, riding it back. Okay, looks like it's set, got my false set back, 2's okay, 3's okay, 4's okay, 5, just ride up. Oh, better. Uh-oh, overset it. Okay, feels good. 4 feels okay. 3 feels okay. 2 feels okay. 1. Gonna ride up. Hopefully this will be the open. No. Okay. 1 feels set. 2 feels set. 3 feels set. 4 feels set. 5. I think I need a deeper hole. 5's okay. Go back to 1. Here 1. 2's okay. 3. 4 okay. 5 really wants to. There it is. Okay, cool. Let's take it apart. Set that to the side. Quite a few folks have picked it, so let's take it apart. Alrighty. Strike those pins. Got a little trench trap started there. Some undermilling in 3 and 5. Pretty. Nice spool. Unconventional. There's pen and pin. Nice. Oh, and a really short spring. A baby spring. He made a good attempt here. Nice. Uh-oh. Straight, standard. Neat. That way. Bring it in for a close-up. Look at some hippie pins here. Nice. That one might be backwards. There we go. That one too. Okay. Well, I enjoyed picking that. My 200th CL. And thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.